We rolling? My name is Champagne and I hate strip lashes.
I'm addicted to finessing, I'm addicted to finessing, I'm addicted to finessing, I'm addicted.
I want to start off this video by saying, if you are one of those people who has naturally long, thick, luscious lashes, how does it feel to be God's favorite? I have been living in eyelash hell since December of 1990, okay? I came across this ad for Falscara from Kiss. You guys know I love Kiss. I wear their press-on nails. I absolutely love them. And basically the catch, or like the little tagline was, if you can apply mascara, you can apply these false lashes. So you guys know I had to pick them up and try them out because, I mean, I'm always up for a challenge. I'm not good with traditional lashes, strip lashes. They suck for me. I have like almond shaped eyes that are like, I mean, kind of crooked. Like, can you see what I mean? Like one is like, it's like I took NyQuil on this side and DayQuil on this side. Like who knows what's going on at this point. So I picked up the Falscara kit, Falscara. I picked up the Falscara kit. I'm gonna get that right at some point. It comes with this thing that like one side is the seal and one side is the bond, or more appropriately, one side is the bond and one side is the seal. And then it also comes with these little 4-step thingamabobbers for applying, and then it also comes with like a set of lashes. It comes with the lashes. So I am going to follow their instructions and go through and see if this is really as easy as ABC 1, 2, 3, put on your mascara, put on false lashes. Let's go ahead and zoom into these eyeballs and get started. Okay, so it looks like a little mascara applique or applicator, which makes sense, right? Falscara. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my right eye, I feel like. I don't know how much you're supposed to, oh, probably not that much. That was a lot. Okay, so now I put on the bond. Now I'm gonna go and grab like, I'll grab like the long on the end of the eyeball thing. And you're supposed to apply it underneath your lash. And a 1, and a 2, and 3, wait. Okay, so that's 1. I'm feeling optimistic. Okay, so this is the eye that has lashes on it. This is the eye that does not. So we're done applying them, which was actually surprisingly quick. Like I did all of that maybe in less than 5 minutes. So then you're supposed to go in with like this section, the seal, which is like clear looking, to like seal it and to like keep your eyelid, under eyelid area from getting like sticky, which I can attest to because as you guys can see, like this seal stuff like doesn't like burn or anything like that. I just like, it's wet. And like I have my contacts in right now, and maybe I shouldn't be applying these with my contacts in, but I'm in my head, like my eyes, it like feels wet against my eye and my eye is like, ugh. So just ignore that. Once you get the hang of this, it's actually super quick. Like I fumbled through the right eye and it took me about 5 minutes. And now I'm feeling like kind of like a pro, and we're done. You guys, I'm kind of obsessed with these. That took probably about 10 minutes max, and like the part that takes the most time is just making sure that you're really careful with applying them, because you're applying them like underneath your eye instead of on top like a traditional like strip lash, and more like your regular like eyelash extensions you would get. You just want to make certain that you're really close to like your actual, like your lash line, so that there's not a huge gap. But I really love how this turned out. I mean, at this point, like lash tech wear, lash tech why. This is definitely a score. Will absolutely save you time and money if you're used to going to like a traditional lash tech. This is way more affordable. This is the budget friendly like baddie lash kit, okay? This is the new name. You like my lashes? Thank you, I do them myself. I am absolutely obsessed with the results. They're super natural. They don't feel heavy on my eyes. It feels like the actual bond solution that they use. It is not irritating to my eye. I will say the sealant was kind of wet. It was wetter than I expected compared with the bond. So when it got on my contact, I was a little surprised, but there's no irritating, you know, irritant. Again, this is super budget friendly. It gives you the results that you're looking for your lashes if you're looking for a natural look. I absolutely love these. This is probably going to be my go-to. I probably won't buy another strip lash. I do want them to come out with some different styles, more styles, maybe fluffier, more dramatic for when I'm feeling just really going in. But this is a great alternative to getting your lashes done professionally. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you would try these out. Again, I am not a lash professional, okay? I am the anti beauty guru when it comes to lash application and stuff like that, and this was so easy. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you would try it, if you have any questions, and thanks for watching. Bye.